I had experience for over 2 decades. I've always been missing to, fill those basics in my stream. And that's what Lovely did for me, because I really wanted to learn the fundamentals and basics of this thing. As I told that I wasn't trained into graphics, I was just started my career as a fashion designer. Basically, I had diploma in 1996, and then I got specialized into graphics, printing and publishing sort of a career. So basics was something always left behind. So Lovely was something that I've been providing, this particular thing, and which was like given a strong foundation to anything. Apart from the graphics, I've been trained to so many other things, like animation is there, stop motion animation is there, 3D modeling is there, rigging is there, and there are like a lot of things like, multimedia and all. So they've been fun. They've been really great. Lovely given me opportunity. In last semester, the final semester, basically I got selected in internship to work with Optum. Optum is basically a part of a division of United Health Group, which already have been working with 150 countries, more than that. So I really got fortunate enough to be selected for that internship, and I really learned a lot. LPU provides you great infrastructure, which is the first thing I had preferred at my joining as well. And Lovely really has that. The way I keep comparing the things with other colleges, they want to, join nearby. So Lovely is different. Lovely has different culture, and basically they're coming to learn things. So learning makes you meet that infrastructure and those professors as well. So these two things are already there with Lovely, and then versatility comes, and Lovely provides that as well. But important, another thing is like the way it gives you placement opportunities. So Lovely provides those placement opportunities really nicely. Like I'm working with Optum, and I feel proud to tell people that I'm working with Optum, and this company is working for over 150 countries. So this is a beautiful thing when you tell this thing. My friends are there who are already working with Amazon and Flipkart or Swiggy or Zomato's, or we know these brands, even the fashion brands. So my friends are working there. So you get opportunity to work with Bollywood, and if you really do good, you actually make a mark, and you go forward and may get a chance to work with Hollywood as well. Who knows? This is great.